traveling, going to my clinic in Kidapawan. Tatrabaho na ang mami niyo. Kahit may problema pa ng konti. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Malapit na ako maka-fully recover. Hopefully, continue na yung healing ko. So, this is your mom. Hirap talaga magkasakit, ano? Lalo na pag hirap kang maghinga. I'm traveling right now, my kiddos. Oo. I'm going out Davao City. Oo, papasok na ako sa Davao del Sur. So, umpisa na yung mami nyo na mag-ikot ulit. Pero, medyo hindi pa talaga 100%. Minsan kinakapos pa rin ang hangin. Oo, yung mami nyo. Pero, at least manageable na siya. So, yun ang update ng mami nyo ngayon. So, see you guys, all my kiddos in entire world. A little update lang ng mami nyo kung anong nangyari for today. So, starting today, I have to travel around Mindanao. Then, diretso na ako sa Visayas area. So, I'll be back in Davao City by March. Oo, medyo mahaba yung ikot ko kasi medyo matagal din kasi akong hindi nakapag-ikot. Dahil nga, hindi maganda yung aking health. So far, ngayon, medyo pumalma na yung aking asthma. Paminsan-minsan na lang yung attack ko. At saka yung paghinga ko naman, medyo gumagaan-gaan na rin yung heart ko. So, I'm testing now. I'm trying to, na kung kaya ko na ba talaga. So, my first drop is Kidapawan City. Then, after 2 days, I have to travel Pagadian. Then, Apil. Then, Liloy, Zamboanga. Then, Cebu City. Then, Carcar City. Then, back to Davao ulit. So, by March, hopefully, I'll be back in Davao City. So, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's to everyone. To all my kids all over the world, or to all my loved ones, or the people who are very special in my heart. So, happy Valentine's, lalo na sa aking mga, yung adopted son ko, Mix Molino, Tatay Jitro, and also my buddy Limino. Happy Valentine's to you, my dear. Hopefully, masaya kayo ngayon mag-celebrate ng inyong Valentine's Day with your loved ones. So this is your Mommy Doc Plus TV. Thank you so much and happy Valentine's to all my patients, to all my relatives and family. So this is your Mommy Doc. Bye-bye. I love you all.